Hello, today I am going to show you how to do a Learn activity in Canvas. I'm going to look at the Learn activity for Learn Canvas. Remember, Learn activities are to practice vocabulary. Click the link, then click the button Take the Quiz. Here you will see the 12 words. You can listen to them by clicking the blue button. Browser, login, page, and so on. To study the words, go down to Read and Listen. Each of these cards is for one word. You can hear the sentence by clicking here.
Open your browser to go to Canvas.
Here to flip the card and see the word and definition.
Browser, a program like Chrome or Firefox used to access the internet.
Okay, so again, each time you click the button, it flips the card over. Then the blue arrow goes to the next word. Flip. Next word. Flip. Next word. That's all there is to it.